Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use yoga blocks for back pain. To begin, lie on your back with knees bent and feet flat. Lift your hips slightly and slide one yoga block, set to its lowest height, directly under your sacrum, which is the flat bone at the base of your spine. Ensure it feels stable and comfortable. This gentle support can immediately help decompress your lower back and promote relaxation. For a supported bridge pose, lie on your back and place one block horizontally under your sacrum at a comfortable height, either flat or on its medium side. Your feet should be hip-width apart. This position gently opens the chest and stretches the front of your hips, which can relieve tension in the lower back. Breathe deeply and hold for 2 to 5 minutes, allowing your body to relax into the support. To open your chest and release upper back tension, place one block vertically on its lowest or medium height, just below your shoulder blades. If needed, use a second block flat under your head for neck support. Extend your arms out to the sides, palms up. This gentle opening can counteract slouching and relieve stiffness in the thoracic spine, promoting better posture and deeper breathing. Hold for several minutes. Remember, always listen to your body and never push into sharp pain. Start with the lowest block height and gradually increase it as your flexibility improves. Use a non-slip mat to ensure stability, especially when using blocks for support. If you experience any discomfort, adjust your position or remove the block. Consistency, even for just 5 to 10 minutes daily, can significantly improve back health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.